feels big. Oh wow, look at that, a big old power plant. Nick's here too. What is up, dudes? Welcome back to another exciting episode of Fishing More Outdoors. Today, we got Mr. Marshall outdoors. He is right behind me, and as you can see, we are at the power plant once again. This place has absolutely been pounding lately. And me and Nick actually went fishing yesterday, and he mentioned he wanted to come here with me. So, yeah, it's the next day. We're here, and as you can probably see from the title down below, I'm using an ice fishing rod today. So, yeah, it should be pretty interesting, but I'll show you the rod once we get to the platform and all that stuff. So, yeah, stay tuned. Let's go. All right, y'all, we are all rigged up. For those of you, is this GoPro on? For those of you that have never seen me fish here before, I am using 9-pound line. I also just got my this is a littler Carbon X reel. This is the Carbon X 1000 series. Usually I use a 2000 series with a regular rod, but we're using ice rod, so we got the 1000 series. Anyways, we're using 9-pound line by the company Line, and then we just got a 3/4 ounce teardrop weight to a 60-pound barrel swivel, about a 8-inch leader to, did you see that one jump? I just see one jump right there. And then we just got a little 6 cents drop shot hook with it filled with corn. But anyways, stay tuned. I'm gonna get this wet. Hopefully we can hook up here real quick, and hopefully we can catch a couple. I think this is gonna be really fun on this rod. Where'd you cast? Okay. Whoa. Perfect cast. So we let it pendulum to bottom, and we're just going to keep it as still as possible until we feel a little tick, 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 tick. Alright. Oh, going. Yeah, yeah, I told you, they're loaded. Oh my God. I don't know what to do. No, I still got him. He was snagged. This is intense. Dude, it feels huge. Really? Oh my God.
How big?
I don't know. It feels huge. But I mean, yeah. There it is. It's huge. Yo, it's actually huge. Holy crap. That's like close to my biggest this year.
That's huge.
Yeah.
Check it out your net.
Yeah. Dude. That's a giant. Don't do that.
What?
I wouldn't leave her out there. Dude, you get bit every minute.
So?
Look at him.
It's in the air.
You go get him. Okay, you ready?
Cold water, man.
Let me tighten up my drag a little bit. He's coming. Oh. He got some more energy out of nowhere. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh! He broke.
What?
He broke me. Oh wait, did it just come unhooked?
No, he broke it.
He broke it. I horsed him too hard, dude. I was just trying to rip him to you. I thought he was tired enough. Dude, that was sick though. That took 30 seconds.
I know.
Alright, stay tuned. I have to rig up once again, but that was a really good sign.
Oh, yeah.
Get him. Going. Double up. This one feels bigger.
How you catch them? Yeah.
I'm the carp king, man.
I'm wondering.
Carp king. I can't believe I haven't snagged you.
I'm over here.
I'm over here now. Yeah. And I was under you.
Oh shit.
Yeah. He's over here now.
Let's see if we're locked. Oh, there he is.
Is it good?
No.
It's little?
Not as big as the last one.
That last one was huge.
Yeah. River snapper.
Oh.
We got colors.
I've yet to see. Oh, there he is. Oh, that's a pretty good one too, though, bro. You hooked up too? Did you just miss one?
No, I got hit and stuck in something.
Dang. All right, want to go net this sucker for me quick? I'm gonna try to bring him over to Nick.
I'm gonna end up falling down that thing.
No, you're good.
Shoes are untied.
Okay, I'm gonna try not to break my line this time. Yeah, buddy.
I'm right into the net.
Let's go.
I feel like I can smell it already.
All right, I don't know what to do here.
I don't know.
Here, you want to grab my rod and just set it down? Then I'll come down there. All right, dudes. Not a giant by any means, but there's the first one on the old ice fishing rod. And go ahead, let them go, let them grow. I'm just gonna hook them. Good hook, good hook. All right, that was freaking sick. Let's do it again.
Anything bite?
Carp are biting.
They're always biting.
Yeah. Oh, I just got hammered, man. Yeah. Hey, hold this real quick. Are you serious? Here, you catch it.
Might have lost it.
What? No, you still got it. I was grabbing something out of the bag, and Nick hooked up with my rod.
Yes.
Watch out for my phone.
He's huge.
Is he huge?
Going back in there.
No way.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna reel yours up.
There he is right there.
Do I have you?
No.
Alright, I'll go down there. Oh, that's a good one. That's funny. I handed you the rod for 5 seconds.
I know.
I don't care. It's awesome. I wanted you to catch one on it anyways. It's sweet, ain't it? Yeah. Got him. This one's bigger. That's a fatty. That thing's like orange.
I know, it's got really red fins.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Round 3. Pretty sure I've hooked up every cast now. That's pretty good. It's so much easier to hold your sinker in one spot with the ice fishing rod. With the hot rod. Oh. Oh. Got one. Whoa. Feels big. Oh.
Break it?
I don't know. I think it just came unhooked. Yeah, it just came unhooked. Probably. Feels decent. It's already going this way. The hot rod is tacoed. Go net this thing. I'm the carp king, okay? Of these parts anyways. Whoa.
There you go.
Whoa.
Loving the onions, dude.
Giving them.
We're gonna double.
There he is.
Going back in. Good one. It's a big one, it's a big one.
It's a big one, it's a big one. I'm gonna net him.
Please, hold it up.
You want to?
Yeah, I'll hold
Fine.
on. Okay, it'll be up.
Okay. Okay. Alright. The old switcheroo. Where's he at? This is a fatty, I think.
There you go.
Got him. We got him. He's a fatty.
What?
He's a fatty. Okay. Here we go. That is a nice freaking carp. Shout out Nick for grabbing my phone for me. That is probably, or not probably, that's definitely my biggest one of the day. But I'm gonna go ahead, let him go. before I drop one. That was a belly flop. I think we're going to call it here, dudes. I really hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Kind of a fun one using the old ice fishing rod. If you guys could like this video, share this video, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell next to that subscribe button. Go check out Marshall Outdoors. I'll leave his channel linked down below in the description. And I guess all it's up to say, dudes, you guys start fishing more. Bye.